Want to add Instagram highlights without posting a story? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to Who can see your content, then tap Hide Story and Live. Now choose Hide Story from and select all your followers. This way, your story will be completely hidden. Next, tap on your profile picture to add a new story. Upload the photo or video you want in your highlight, then tap the arrow button at the bottom right and share it. Once it's posted, tap Highlight. Add it to a new or existing highlight, and then tap Done. Your content is now saved to highlights, but since your story was hidden, nobody saw it live. Finally, don't forget to change your privacy settings back. Go to Hide Story and Live, and deselect your followers so your future stories will be visible as usual. And that's it. You've successfully added Instagram highlights without posting them publicly to your story. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips.